back for another video on Review into Huck's World. And TGIF people, the weekend has arrived. For those of you all who are going to be off, enjoy, have fun, be with family and friends, but most of all, remember, always be safe. Now, we're trying to get you set up for the weekend. I really wanted to do the review on a couple of watch faces that I'm going to review today on Saturday for Triple Play Saturday, but I couldn't wait. Don't know how long this one is going to be free, so we decided to go ahead and kick this off right now because I thought it was an awesome look for an awesome weekend. Cool? With that, let's go ahead and let's get started. Now, listen, this watch face right here is definitely worth the download, and on top of it, it is free for the taking. Now, I'm trying to set you up for the weekend with something awesome, and this one is going to be it. Now, this gets my stamp of approval and should be downloaded, but at the end of the day, it's totally up to you. The name of the watch face is called Design 190405. Now let's take a look at it. In the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look. You are going to get an analog look so far as the watch face is concerned. It's going to look nice. But let's focus on this watch face when it's on. I like what my man did with the index. It really brings out the watch face, blends right into the guts of the watch that's animated, which also looks nice. And then you look down at the bottom, you are going to get your digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds because this is an analog watch face. And the analog hands, they look premium, right? They light up at the tip, but I'm loving that second hand that really brings the whole watch face together. It's red at the tip. It also screams premium as well. But up at the top, you're going to get your battery info, and it's interactive. And you're also going to get your date information in the middle. And you go to the right, and you're going to get your heart rate information as well. With a single tap, you're in, and you're also out. Now, I know you're wondering, you're like, where is my step information? Because I need that on my run. This is somewhat of a hybrid watch face. We're going to get to that in a second. If I tap right here, I can go into Bixby. I'm not a Bixby fan, but if you are, Bixby is here for you. Right here, you can go into your settings, tweak your watch however you see fit. And right here is going to give you your settings as well. But if I tap right here, I can go into my music on my run, and I'm all good. Now, my man threw down on this one. I got to give this guy 5 thumbs up. In the door, again, with my stamp of approval, right? Now, if I double tap, I can change the theme a little bit. I like the one that I was in, but this one also looks nice. So if you need to color coordinate a little bit more, you can with this watch face. But I thought the developer did a super awesome job. At the end of the day, you guys let me know. Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Enjoy your weekend. Have fun, party like it's 1999, but enjoy yourself. And hit the like button on the way out if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.